Meaning of disgraceful.
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 Disgraceful. Disgraceful means something that is shameful, dishonorable, or brings discredit. It is a word used to describe an action or behavior that is morally unacceptable or offensive. The connotation of the word disgraceful is usually negative, indicating a lack of respect or dignity. A person or organization that engages in such disgraceful behavior can lose trust, reputation, and credibility. Being associated with or being accused of such behavior can have long-lasting consequences. Therefore, it is important to avoid engaging in any activity that may be considered disgraceful.